Today we're going to be working on a contour cutout. What that is when you want to create something that you want to be able to cut out from plastic or wood or something like that. So we'll start with our font tool because we're just going to write, let's say, the word faith. Go back to our pick tool, choose our font. I'm going to be adding some swirls because I like swirls. And then we're going to make this however we want to design it. Bring it into there. And now we have a cute little design that we can just group up real nicely. Press P to center it. Now what we want to do, we're going to come over here where it says drop shadow. We're going to choose the little triangle in the corner. We'll choose contour. We're going outside contour. And if you notice, the way that it's set right now is it's really close to the edge. That's not what we want at all. We're going to go ahead and make this bigger right here. You can either type in a number if you know the size that you want it, or you can just go until you think, hey, I like how that looks. So I like the space on this one. Mostly what I'm looking at is the outside space, not this inside space, because I'm going to be getting rid of that anyway. So once I like the space on it, I will press Control K to break apart. I'm going to press the space bar to go back to my pick tool, click anywhere else on the screen. I'll now choose my contour only and make sure that the contour menu box does not pop back up. Because if it does, that means that we have not broken it apart from the words. So I have this contour chosen. I'm going to press Control K again. That breaks all the inside pieces apart from the outside piece. So without clicking anything else, I'll press Shift, click on just the outside piece. Now all I have selected are the inside pieces. Press Delete, and this is one piece. We're going to put it with a transparent background, and we're going to choose right-click black to give it an outline. If you see, it automatically gives it hairline because we did just a right-click to give it the outline. So it gives it hairline, which is what we use for cutting. And this is our contour cutout.